My name is Naila Ogle. I'm from Stone Mountain, Georgia. When I think about a seat as the Virtual President USA, I think about the attention and focus of youth around America and the journey of our government. I believe that there are young people around America who understand the importance of knowing our government decisions and the effects that it will have. I would like to be the Virtual President USA because of the important initiative that I'm running on, Women for President 2016. How awesome would it be for us to see a woman in the presidential elections of 2016 and also for the first seat of the Virtual President USA to be a woman as well? How powerful would that be? I believe that my presidency will influence the nation by pushing for the involvement of its citizens in government. Although the Virtual President USA targets the youth of America, I believe that if we get involved, other people will get involved as well. It is time that we regain our attention and focus on the politics of the state. If I were elected as the Virtual President USA, I would definitely talk about my initiative first, Women for President 2016. It is 2014 and women still have to fight for equal rights such as equal treatment and pay in the workplace. I believe it's time for us to move on to bigger issues, and I believe that women can play a big role in that. I would inspire the American people by sharing my story and letting them know about the opportunities that I have had by being an American citizen and how I've taken advantage of them. I would inspire the American people to get involved, contact your local government, understand the important issues that are going on in the news. My State of the American Address would be our State of the American Address. If I were the Virtual President USA, I would first take feedback from youth around America about the problems they're facing today so that I could bring it to the government. The future of America is contingent upon the success of youth today. So my State of the American Address would definitely tackle those issues. Thank you.